With Kelsey.
Anne-Marie, thank you. It's a golden time for gold right now. It's trading at the highest level since early 2013. So joining us now to explain what's driving this impressive run is BNM Bloomberg's Andrew Bell. Thank you for coming in.
Yeah, gold up again in early trading above $1,429 US. And it's still down from 2011. It got to almost $2,000 US. So it's been a lousy investment for most of the intervening years. But it's on fire now. A lot of that's a weaker US dollar after the US Federal Reserve indicated last week they're thinking of interest rate cuts. And generally, when interest rates come down in a country, people leave the currency because you're just going to earn less on deposits in that currency.
That's surprising to hear, interest rate cuts. We don't often say that.
No. And the central bankers, of course, have spent the past decade or so saying, oh, we're eager to get borrowing costs back to normal, but now they seem to have abandoned that. And, we're thinking of cutting interest rates, actually.
Okay, so what can investors who do invest in gold, what can they expect?
Well, traditionally, the best way to buy gold, a gold rally, if you're convinced this is going to last, is to buy gold stocks. Now, a simple option would be to buy a thing called XGD. It trades on the TSX, just like a stock. You can buy it with your discount brokerage account, no problem. And it is a basket of giant gold miners. The problem with gold miners these days is they tend to open these giant, ambitious gold mines, and oops, the costs overrun what they thought. I'll give you one example. Detour Gold have a mine in northern Ontario. They move about 250,000 tons of rock every day. Every day. That's just hundreds of gigantic trucks.
And how much gold did they get out of that?
Well, they're looking these days at a mine like that. You're looking at maybe a gram of gold per ton.
Wow.
So around the world, the good gold deposits are gone. And that's the problem. That's why mining is so technically challenging today. So Detour Gold, I mean, it's an amazing technical achievement, but the costs have been higher than investors had thought. If you want to take a flyer, though, well, you could look at gold stocks that have gone up a lot already this year. It indicates that they have momentum, but generally a safer policy, I would say, is to buy XGD, the basket of all the gold stocks.
Okay, good advice this morning, Andy. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so we will follow the story and we will continue to see more news on BNM Bloomberg.